Ummeli kaShadrack Sibiya utshela inkantolo ukuthi isinqumo sikaKhomishana wamaphoyisa uJenene Fani Masemola sokummisa emsebenzini asihambisani nemithetho yokuqondiswa kwezigwegwe. Uthi uma kuzovunyelwa ukuthi lento eyenziwe uMasemola iqhubeke, lokho kuzobe kuukunyathela amalungelo ekhasimende lakhe.
That if the process under General Masemola is allowed to continue, it will have a prejudicial effect on General Sibiya's rights. And in that scenario, rather than let that process go ahead, stop that process and let the Commission, who doesn't suffer from all of the problems that General Sibiya says General Masemola suffers from, let them do that.
Uthi ukumiswa kukaSibiya akukho emthethweni.
I'm asking you to interdict it. And I'm asking you to interdict it because it is a breach of my rights.
USibiya uthi uma engabuyiselwa emsebenzini uzimisele ukulandela yonke imiyalelo kaMasemola. Uthi unethemba lokuthi inkantolo izovuna yena kulokhu.
Well, I have full trust on our criminal justice system, and I respect the fact that we asked for 3 judges and we were given 3 judges. We'll accept whatever outcome we're getting.
Isinqumo sigodliwe.